If you're experiencing high ping while playing The Sims 4, it can disrupt your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that might be using your internet bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games. Freeing up bandwidth can help reduce ping. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections typically provide a more stable and faster internet experience, which can help lower your ping. Step 4. Change server location. If The Sims 4 allows you to select a server location, try choosing a server that is geographically closer to you. This can help reduce the distance data must travel, potentially lowering your ping. Step 5. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues and high ping. Visit your device manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for your network adapter. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.